here at the Oregon Duck Pep Rally. Came out to enjoy some of the camaraderie with fellow fans. Loving it, loving the atmosphere. Very glad that we were able to just come together and show our support in some way. Seems like people are getting some good food, so loving it. And looking forward to the game. I think that people are going to be surprised. I think it's going to be a high-scoring game. I think that it's going to be a lot different than most people will expect. We're going to be up by more than 2 touchdowns at the end of the game. So don't look for the Rose Bowl two halves. It's going to be all Ducks the whole way.
My name is Barbara Hansen, and I found out about this event on the news this morning, and I was already going to be downtown, up a couple blocks, going to a NIA class, and thought I'll just walk down. Perfect timing. And so, I don't know, anytime there's anything about the Ducks, I'm on it. Now that I'm a retired teacher, I have more time that I can go to these events, because in the past I'd be working and I couldn't go to any of this. So
NFL will not touch them.
Yeah, I don't know what else.
What are your hopes for Monday?
Oh my gosh, we're gonna win. We're gonna beat Ohio State.
Lights on, great. On 3, 1, 2, 3. Oregon, our alma mater. We will fight the on and on. Let's gather around and cheer her. Chant her glory, Oregon. For the praise of her warriors. Sing the story, Oregon. On the victory, earth, the heroes of our mighty Oregon.